Hello everyone, Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to my kitchen. You know, it's summertime when mangoes are on the table, the sunshine of the summer, and it's right time to make some refreshing drink. Aam Panna, a delightful summer drink prepared with green mangoes. It is so refreshing with the sweet and tangy flavors. Great way to hydrate yourself in summer. So, let's get started. Peel the mangoes and cut them into cubes. Wash it thoroughly and place it in the pressure cooker. Add 2 glasses of water and some salt. Pressure cook the mangoes for 2 whistles on medium flame or for about 8 to 10 minutes. When the pressure settles down, remove the lid and let the mangoes cool down. Gently pour the content into the strainer and collect all the pulp in the bowl. Now add sugar, jeera powder, black salt and mix well. This recipe is easy to follow and perfect for refreshing summer drink. Serve Aam Panna over ice and enjoy! Get ready for more such delicious recipes. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.